Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Fish crisis solved. Interstate fish supply to resume from Thursday. Goans witness steep rise in fish prices on Wednesday due to shortage. Anti-burglary squad of police becomes a gang of extortionists. PI Chorankar allegedly extorts 7 lakh rupees from a Panji-based massage parlour. A shootout, 13 bullets and lot of unanswered questions. Goa police clueless as victims go missing. Loopholes in initial theory of shooting. Anti-monkey disease vaccines arrive but no takers from Pali. Doctors to visit village on Thursday to carry out vaccination drive and villagers stay away from hospital. Netas no more on government advertisement. Only PM, President, Chief Justice allowed. Supreme Court says such advertisements create personality cults. And record prize money All India Chess Championship in Panji from Monday. International Master Anurag Mahamal top seed at TTCA's maiden tournament. And now the news in detail. On day 2, Goa faced acute fish crisis. Fish was sold at skyrocketing prices. CM Parsekar has assured smooth supply of fish in the markets by Thursday with government's intervention. The CM has spoken to the Maharashtra counterparts to supply fish amidst police security. Fish shortage has hit Goa following scuffle between Kutbona and Malvan fishermen. Further, the no fish procurement stand by the Goa wholesalers agents had aggravated the crisis. Now all the parties have agreed to restart the business like before.
आज आम्ही एसोसिएशनाक सांगला फाल्याच्यान तुम्ही नुस्ते सुरू करा नुस्त्याचो व्यवहार पूर्ण पोलीस प्रोटेक्शन दितले आणि हांव संबंधित कोण जे आसात ताणें जे गैरसमजांत केल्ले आसा तांचे कडेन हांव उलयतलो ताका आपूण सांगलें कोण फाल्यां हे आजनेरी करचो ना परत जावचें ना आनी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्ली आसा आनी हांवें तांकां सांगलें कोणूच आजनेरी करता अशें दिसलें जाल्यार लेट मी नो म्हणून ती जर फाल्यां पयलीं म्हणजे पुलीस हांव घालतलो.
Margao Wholesale Fish Market is the main interstate fish trading market which further supplies the fish stocks to other markets in the state. The fish is imported from other states in Margao. Currently, the state is facing acute fish shortage due to non-availability of fish from Maharashtra. The crisis follows a scuffle between the Goan and Malvan fishermen. The issue has resulted in shortage of fish and the rates have hit sky high.
नुस्तें आहा तें खावपा न्हू सारकें म्हारग आनी नुस्तें तितलें फ्रेश आसना लोक येयन सगळे बाजारां येयन पोतून वताय
लोकांची आमची म्हणजे खवये जे खावपी जी आसा तांची मोठी हाल जाल्ले आसा.
एकदम 8 पीस ते 800 रुपया सांगता. 800 रुपया आमकां कॅपेसिटी ना. एक पीस 100 रुपया पडटा.
200 रुपया सो बांगडे आतां 7 गायले तेणे आम सांगले म्हूण 7 गायले.
200 रुपया 400 रुपया चोर आवाजूच बायांचो.
Mapsa market fishermen stopped sale of fish in the market as a mark of protest against the attack on the Kutbona fishermen. All market was shut down. However, Councillor Sudhir Kandolkar intervened and got the gates of the market open, but Mapsekar were left fishless.
हांव जेन्ना नुस्तें हाडपाक गेलो तेन्ना हांव सरप्रायज फिश मार्केट बंद जालें. आमी आमचें मार्केट बंद दवरूंक शकना. जे वेंडर्स आहात तांकां येवन हांगा म्हापशा मार्केटाक नुस्तें विकूं येता कोणूय येता. आता कोणाक विकपाचें ना जावं संपार वचपाचें ती तेंचे लुकआवट पूण मार्केट हे ओपन आसतलें सगल्यांक.
ही मोनोपोली जाली ही म्हापसा मार्केटाक लॉक मारला हे अनजस्टिफायड हेचेर म्युनिसिपालिटीन खंय तरी विचार करचो.
Earlier, it was decided at the Kutbona fisherman level that only fish supply from Malvan fish would be stopped, but the wholesalers and agents decided to stop entire import of fish from other states. This has aggravated the crisis.
We want to finish this people, the so-called agents. Goenka region, Goenka non-gun size, we want to finish up them. We have seen agent market market condition ki jalte, kitli switching ate and kitli jalte.
CMन आमकां एश्युरन्स दिला आपूण 100% तुमकां प्रोटेक्शन दिता आनी ही मार्केट आसा ती गव्हर्मेंटाची SPDAची हांगा फकत सरकाराचो चलतलो हेजे भायर आनी कोणाची कांयच अशें म्हणजे दादागिरी तसली कांयच चलची ना आनी तुमी पयलीं कशें आसचे भाशेन सगळे स्टेटीचे महाराष्ट्राचे तमिळनाडचे कर्नाटकचे केरळाचे नुस्तें हाडपाक आमी गोंयच्या लोकां कडेन माफी मागता एक असलो एक सिच्युएशन रेज जालो तेका लागून आमकां करपा पडलें अशें.
Goa fishermen have demanded to take strict action against the attacker Malvan fishermen. On the other side, Malvan Shiv Sena unit has threatened to block the Goa vehicles as Malvan fish trucks were returned by the Goan fishermen. Nonetheless, Goa government has initiated talks with Maharashtra government hinting at a probable restoration of fish supply by Thursday. Bureau report, Prudent.
Anti-burglary squad of police has become a gang of extortionists. Internal inquiry of Goa police says PI of anti-burglary cell Sandesh Sorankar conspired and extorted 7 lakh rupees from a Panji-based massage parlour. It is found that Sandesh Sorankar along with 6 constables staged a raid on a massage parlour, allegedly running prostitution racket, but later negotiated and extorted money from the owner of the parlour. Having tainted past, PI of anti-burglary cell Sandesh Sorankar has again brought shame for the department.
In an internal inquiry conducted by SP of anti-burglary cell, it was found that PI Sandesh Sorankar conspired and extorted 7 lakh rupees from a Panji-based massage parlour.
According to sources, PI Sandesh Sorankar raided a massage parlour where prostitution activities were on. He raided the parlour with the help of a constable, Shatun Shetye. Under the conspiracy, PI Sandesh Sorankar called 5 constables attached with Kolva, Madgaon and Anjuna police stations, pretending to conduct an anti-burglary raid. PI Sandesh took the team at the massage parlour. Putting pressure to close down the parlour, Sandesh extorted 7 lakh rupees from the owner of the parlour. Later, PI Sandesh allegedly distributed 10,000 rupees each to constables and gave 50,000 rupees to Constable Shatun Shetye. Interestingly, massage parlour owner has not filed any complaint, but SP Karthik Kashyap got the tip from insider and he initiated inquiry. During the inquiry, all 5 outstation constables confessed accepting 10,000 rupees. According to sources, seniors of Goa police are feeling that all 5 outstation constables took part in whole episode under instruction of PI Sandesh Sorankar without prior knowledge. So these constables may be made witnesses rather than accused. SP Karthik Kashyap in his report has recommended to disband whole anti-burglary cell, but the department has as of now transferred PI Sandesh to the GRP. Further action against him will be initiated after analysing the enquiry report. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. A shootout took place in Saligaon on Tuesday night. A tussle between Praveen Prabhu of Torshe and Deepak Arundekar of Saligaon supposedly led to the shootout. Both the parties have complained at their respective police stations. Complainant Deepak claims that 12 bullets were shot at his car. On the other side, Praveen Prabhu complained that some unknown people damaged his car. Interestingly, Deepak and 4 others at whom the shots were fired are untraceable.
Some days back, there was firing incident in Saligaon. It was a tussle between Praveen Prabhu from Torsha and Deepak Arundekar of Saligaon. As per sources, there was verbal spat and assault between them. Later, Praveen Prabhu lodged a complaint with Pedne police that some unknown people damaged his car.
4 लोक होती उतरले त्याने आणि उघडलं आणि धडाधड फोडले आणि याच्यावर एक काहीतरी मारलं आणि तोडलं 9:09 फोडले.
रात्रीची किती दिवसात?
रात्री.
किती लोक होती म्हटलं?
4.
गाड्या किती घेऊन आल्या होत्या?
गाडी एकच आणली होती त्यांनी आणि अगोदर तिकडे एक आणली होती आणि तो काहीतरी उतरला आणि एक मोठा दगड मारला.
Deepak Arundekar filed a police complaint that his vehicle was shot at by Praveen Prabhu. He said 12 bullets were fired on his vehicle.
Firing case Saligaon register झाल्या. Saligaon police स्टेशनाचेर दीपक आरुंदेकर म्हणटा ताणें कंप्लेंट दिल्या आणि ताणें भितर आतां सस्पेक्ट दिला प्रवीण प्रभू म्हूण किनारा हॉटेल तांची पयलीं कितें तरी झगडी जाल्ली कितें म्हूण दिलें ताणें म्हणटकूच तें आतां इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा. दीपक म्हणटा ताजेर आनी 4 जाण आसले म्हणटा पूण आतां आमकां इतलोच प्रॉब्लेम जाला की कंप्लेंट दिल्या उपरांत हे सकाळीं ना जाल्यार ते कोणूच मेळना फॉर क्रॉस चेकींग वॉट आर द फॅक्ट्स. दुसरें पेडणे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर तो प्रवीण प्रभू आसा तोय थंय कंप्लेंट दिता कितें तरी तांचेंय व्हेरिफिकेशन चालू आसा. म्हळ्यार एकूच क्लियर जाला की हो इन्सिडंट हांचे दोन पार्टी भितरूच आसा, प्रवीण प्रभू आनी हे. पूण हे कित्याक पळोवन गेले, घरा कडेन ना, पुलिसान आपयले आतां मेळना कन्फर्म करपाक. हो एक व्हडलो प्रस्न आसा की हेच कंप्लेंट दिता आनी हेच ना जाता. एक्झॅक्ट कंप्लेंट आमचे कडेन रजिस्टर जाल्या, एक्झॅक्ट फायरींग जालें जाल्यार खंय जाल्या, ते वेपन कसले हे अजूनय आमकां कळूंक ना.
On the other side, Trajano has lashed out at police for lax investigation into this incident.
So long it has taken to identify. The police have not come out, giving the slightest clue as to why this has happened. But the courage to have this shootout in Goa, which was never heard.
However, till now it is unknown whether the incident really occurred in Saligaon or at another place. More importantly, Deepak and his friends who were supposedly present during the shootout are not traceable. Police also said that many of these guys are history cheaters. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.